Want to know the biggest reasons students may fail in June 26 CMA exams? Not the syllabus, not tough papers, not strict checking. A tough paper, strict checking will probably be for everyone and not just for you. Hi everyone, I'm Shivangi Agrawal, your law mentor, and in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly that's the need of the hour. Apart from your die-hard preparation and consistency, what you need to do right now to ensure that you do not fail in your June 26 exams, whether it's CMA Inter or it's CMA Final. I'll share today three very common issues of failure in today's time and which may happen probably with anyone in the upcoming exams. The very first one is creating an illusion of preparation. What's that? Now, many students nowadays consume that one day revision, 100% sure shot, do this and get 80 marks, etc. etc. Now, this has a very big underlying problem of ignorance and not making a wise and an informed choice. And this creates an illusion of preparation. And professional exams punish the superficial preparation very badly. Student ko kya lagta hai? They have watched many videos, they feel prepared. They have solved some selected questions and they feel prepared. But when you reach the exam hall, it basically exposes that conceptual gap. So you might end up in spending like 40 minutes in 115 mark or maybe 7 mark question also, poor reading time, writing too much of theory in a question where you don't need that much content to be written, getting stuck even in slightly twisted questions. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने तो थोड़ा बोड़ा वही पढ़ा हुआ है and we are here and we feel we are prepared. So don't create this illusion of preparation. What to do, ma'am? Choose wisely. Nothing can replace your own efforts. Okay, so don't forget to revise what you have already studied. Take guidance from mentors, but don't follow everything blindly. कि बस ये कर लो हो जाएगा, ये कर लो हो जाएगा. नहीं, if you have read it, if you have time, please go ahead and finish it in entirety. First do your revision, then go for the marathons, important questions, tests, etc. Right? And that too trustworthy, which isn't wasting a lot of your time and not creating a false perception or false illusion of preparation. The second one is overburdening. Overburdening means what? Maybe both groups, maybe the pressure to cover 100% syllabus at the last moment, or maybe reading multiple books, multiple notes, trying to learn everything. Well, इससे कुछ नहीं होगा. The only thing that's going to happen is memory overload and you might tend to forget everything. कई बार ऐसा होता होगा ना, ये याद करे तो वो भूल जा रहे, वो याद करे तो वो भूल जा रहे. See, more content requires more time, more stamina, more retention, more revision quality, more mock test practice, everything. So without proper revision cycles, you will tend to forget. Maybe group 1 preparation gets forgotten by group 2 exams, right? मतलब वो हो रहा है, वो कर रहे हैं, तो memory overload हो रहा है, fatigue, it reduces the performance. So choose wisely what you learn, how much to learn, and ensuring that you don't forget something that you have already learned, right? So based on your capacity, do that smart working and keep asking yourself कि ये याद है ना, before moving to the next. हाँ, ये भूले तो नहीं ना. And now the last one, but of course the most important one, and that's anxiety. सुनने में बहुत ही कॉमन और बहुत सिंपल सा लगता है, but let me tell you, professional exam students often isolate themselves, study for months continuously, compare marks, they carry the family expectations. तो जब तक एग्जाम का टाइम आता है, the anxiety level here, sleep cycle breaks, concentration falls, right? Many students underperform not because they don't know the subject, but many a times it also happens that your brain freezes in the exam hall. Right? So what you need to do? Because professional exams are not only about intelligence, it's about disciplined repetition, exam temperament, strategic preparation, right? That surviving those panic attacks and everything. Okay? That's why many average students clear in first attempt, while we have seen many smart ones also sometimes fail repeatedly. क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स कीप ऑन थिंकिंग, यार इस बार तो लग रहा है पेपर टफ आएगा, नहीं 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 पिछली बार बहुत इजी आया था, इस बार इट्स गोइंग टू बी लेंदी, राइट? एवरीवन इज फेलिंग, ओ माय गॉड द पास परसेंटेज लास्ट अटेम्प्ट वाज सो लेस, चेकिंग स्ट्रिक्ट हुई है, लकी खराब है मेरा. तो then preparation slowly shifts from that active learning to that fear consumption. And trust me, this fear is going to reduce your recalling power, your concentration, your writing speed, your confidence, right? So क्या करना है? Don't let your revision be incomplete. Don't ignore your mock test. Don't ignore the last 7, 8, 10 days in this panic and anxious situations, right? They stop you from attempting your paper confidently. You have worked hard. Okay, professional exams will always feel unpredictable. Trust me, always. ये तो ICM में आई है, right? तो otherwise also it will always feel unpredictable. So stop analyzing those past percentage or thinking this, thinking that, right? A paper can be tough for everyone. Ranking is relative, right? So when we talk about the pass percentage, even if the paper is tough, if we say 20% students are passing, you have to make to that 20%, right? So even in difficult papers, the calm student gains that advantage. Presentation matters more. There is step marking. You have to attempt the full paper, right? So forget everything. Right now, energy should go into solving, revising, retaining, and not predicting any doom or anything like that for the June 26 paper, right? So I hope you will keep in mind the 3 things that I have told you and you will not do that. And of course, continue your preparation with all the hard work that you can put in right now, right? Thank you, everyone. Have a great day and keep studying.